start in the same spot. Here we go. Once again, test run number 2. Hello, fellow motorcyclists. Seems to be doing pretty good. Quick shifter anyway. The biker's behind me. You know, I see motorcyclists pass this road all the time. I'm like, no, turn right. That's the way you want to go. Because they just end up going straight, you know, forever. Going up the road we were just on. So, said I was going to take it easy. Thank you for joining. Those of you who are just joining, I am doing a quick happy lap on the Buell on the same road we were on last time, mostly just to get some ride time in, but also because I wanted to test this new microphone cover I got that is supposed to help with wind noise, which I had to filter out during the last video. And also, just for the viewers' awareness, I have moved the microphone down closer to my mouth, so hopefully I'm not blaring in your ears. I'll have to fix that in post, as the cool kids say. Hopefully that's not a cop. Nope. He didn't wave, I didn't wave. I nodded at him. That counts, right? He was focused. I was focused. We were both focused. He knows I love him. I'm hoping you can catch the pops coming out of the Rembo. A lot of people get upset about that and say, well, your motorcycle's not tuned properly, you shouldn't be popping like that. I mean, that's fine by me. It doesn't offend me at all. I am like I said previously to the Patreons, just getting over some kind of crud. Been sick all week, and wanted to get out and test this microphone cover for you guys, and get some riding in with this beautiful Texas weather we're having right now. It's 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and feels great actually compared to the last ride, and also having been laid up in bed nearly the entire week. When I tell you I was sick, I was legit sick. Which only motorcyclists, I think, understand. I have a good friend of mine. She actually is a horse trainer and does a lot of horseback riding, but she and her husband are also bikers. They have a really nice big old full dresser Harley, and they do bike trips. And I asked her, you know, would you say you like horseback riding better or motorcycling? She is for sure motorcycling, and she said that it was mainly because you get a better sense of your surroundings, and you're actually riding through different, you know, variables in the environment you're in. So the temperature changes and the different smells that are out there, some good, some bad, and she said that was better. I thought that was interesting. I expected her to say, oh, no way, horseback riding is way better because, you know, horse. No, she said that it was biking. So if you are an equestrian, comment down below what your thoughts on the matter are. If you think that biking's great but horses are better, or if you agree with her. I've only ridden horses a few times in my life, so I liked it. I thought it was great, but I prefer the iron horse, as it were. Again, this is going to be a short, very short video because one, I'm not 100%, and two, just a test, and three, I have an obligation with my family I need to take care of, so I wanted to squeeze this in really quick prior to that obligation. And so, as always, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Let me know what you think of this new setup, if this microphone location and the wind filter is working. And hopefully you're enjoying the snap, crackles, and pops of the Buell coming through clearly on the microphone. By all means, leave a comment letting me know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you don't like it, pretend that you do. If you'd like to get more behind the scenes footage and hear me yammer on even more and help support the channel, please check out my Patreon. Regardless, thank you. And until next time, peace out. And keep it between the ditches.